Hi again, everybody. Bob Barlow here. In math, there is a number, a very important number, and that number is pi. And we're not really going to get into the math part of pi. We're just using that number. It's a number that goes on forever. It starts with a 3, and then there's a decimal point, which looks like a little dot. And then after that, there is an infinite number of numbers. We're not going to learn an infinite number of numbers today. We're just going to memorize the first 10 digits of pi, the first 10 digits after the little decimal point. But I'm a teacher, so I have to explain pi to you, even though this is not a math lesson. Pi, if you think about a circle, the distance around a circle is the circumference, and the distance across a circle through the center is the diameter. And you get pi by dividing the circumference by the diameter. As I said, it's a very useful number in math. We'll worry about that later. For now, we're just using it as something to memorize. There's a very important number in math, and that number is called pi. It helps us when we're working with circles. Someday I'll tell you why. But today we'll focus on just one thing, and that's memorizing the first 10 digits of pi. Yes, if you sing this enough, you'll learn it by and by. Let's do it. 3.14159265353. 3.14159265353. 3.14159265353. 3.14159265353. 3.14159265353. 3.14159265353. 3.14159265353. 3.14159265353. 3.14159265353. 3.14159265353. 3.14159265353. 3.14159265353. So, if you sing this song if you take about, I don't know, half an hour just listening to the song, singing along, rewinding the video, I have a feeling that you can commit this to memory really, really quickly. Again, 3.141592653. And seriously, I don't like teaching things out of context. And I think this is an example of doing that. I'm using this concept of pi as something to memorize, and I'm not really explaining pi to you all that well. So I made a promise in the song when I said someday I'll tell you why, and I promise that I will sing you another song going more deeply into pi in the future. But for now, 3.141592653. 3.141592653. 3.141592653. Try to keep that in your head and sing it over and over again, and I guarantee you'll memorize those first 10 digits of pi, if you feel like it. Anyway, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a whole nother song. Bye-bye.